Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, you got that tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on the other side, with blind spot detection. We do get the advanced towing package, the black appearance package, and the trailer tow package on this vehicle with recovery hooks, block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, storage with USB and USB-C. You can fold this down for cup holders and arm space with your additional storage underneath. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have a power driver's seat. The same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Got your lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 22 kilometers. Got this nice leather up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. We have a digital speedometer and lane centering with my view, trip and feel, truck info, towing, off-road, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. We also do get our gear select right here with our parking brake, auto stop auto start, traction, tow and haul mode, dry modes, and four-wheel drive. Plenty of storage here. You got a nice little phone slot with outlets. Your center console with tons of storage, 12 volt down there. Basic climate controls at the bottom here, volume, hazards, storage above, below, and we get a lovely powered rear window opener. We also do get our nice big infotainment system that has AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, climate controls at the bottom, heated front seats, and dual climate. Got your phone. Pretty nice. We do get navigation with this vehicle as well. Your media, tow and haul mode, vehicle settings, your backup camera, and your phone settings.
Search for your vehicle.
If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE01831, and you can head on to PG Ford or give us a call.